And, I used to, as a minister, I used to do a lot of counseling couples before they got married. And one of the questions that I always asked was about how they fought. And of course, I was curious about how they fought because I was much more curious in how they made up and such. And did they have the tools and skills to be able to do that? And I never worried too much unless those couples that would say, oh, we never fight, or we've never had a fight. And it's like, if you don't know if you can have a rupture and get beyond it, you're not ready to make a life commitment to each other.
Mm.
Because guarantee you're going to have it. If you haven't yet, you got some work to do.
Mm. I mean, that is so true, right? Like if you have a rupture with your partner or your friend or your family member and then are able to repair that. I mean, this, as you say that, I'm like, yeah, there's the people that's happened with, I do feel so much closer to versus there's been a rupture and I'm like, I'm fine.
Yeah.
I'm fine. I'm sorry. That's, and then there's this weirdness, right? Or there's
Right.
parts, right?
Right. Your protectors are on the lead, and then a protector that wants to pretend it didn't happen.
Yeah, I like that one.
But yeah, well, it can be really good in we love our protectors and they're really good in certain situations.
Hmm.
But to create the really deep connections,
Hmm.
we've got to be vulnerable enough to admit I blew it.
Hmm.
Or on the other side, to be able to say that hurt.